The Fontainebleau Las Vegas is a luxury resort and casino on the north end of the Las Vegas Strip at 2777 South Las Vegas Boulevard. It is a sister property to the famous Fontainebleau Miami Beach. It is owned and operated by Fontainebleau Development, led by Jeff Soffer in partnership with Koch Real Estate Investments. It features a 67-story tower that stands 737 feet tall, making it the tallest occupied building in Nevada. The resort offers 3,644 hotel rooms and suites, a 173,000 square foot casino, huge convention space, restaurants, nightlife, retail shops, and entertainment venues. The whole project ended up costing about $3.7 billion. What was on that property before? The site used to have two older resorts. The Thunderbird Hotel and Casino opened on September 2nd, 1948. It was one of the early Strip properties and had a Navajo-inspired theme. Later, it was renamed the Silverbird in 1977, and then the El Rancho Hotel and Casino in 1982. It finally closed in 1992. There was also the smaller Algiers Hotel right next to it. Turnberry Associates bought the old El Rancho land in the year 2000 for $45 million. They imploded the old building on October 3rd of that same year. At first, they planned a London-themed resort there, but canceled it after the September 11th attacks. In 2005, they bought the extra land from the Algiers site so they could assemble the full parcel for the new project. The development history is a long and bumpy one that stretched almost 20 years. It went through ownership changes, bankruptcy, the Great Recession, and the pandemic. In May of 2005, Jeff Soffer announced plans for a sister property to the Miami Fontainebleau. Early cost estimates were between $1.5 and $2.9 billion. Construction on the main tower began in February 2007. The tower was topped off in November 2008, and by the middle of 2009, the project was about 70% complete, with an original opening planned for the fall of 2009. Then the financing fell apart during the Great Recession. The project filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in June 2009, and construction stopped completely. In 2010, Carl Icahn bought the unfinished resort out of bankruptcy for about $150 million. It sat mostly empty for years after that. In 2017, it was sold to the Witkoff Group in New Valley for $600 million. In 2018, they renamed it the Drew Las Vegas, after Witkoff's late son. They planned to open it in 2020 or 2022, but construction kept